Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Google Pixel 11. So first, open the settings on your phone. Then go into the battery and charging, battery saver, and here enable the battery saver or just schedule it. And I recommend enabling the adaptive battery. Now in display and touch, lower the brightness or use the adaptive brightness, disable enhanced HDR brightness, disable always on display, enable the dark theme, and screen timeout shorten to around a minute. Scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example a Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.